Tired of expensive haircuts? Yearning for that perfect buzz cut at home? We've tested the top clippers for men, from fades to crew cuts. Stay tuned to find your ultimate haircutting weapon. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Andis Master Cordless Hair Clipper. Having utilized the Andis Master Hair Clipper since 2017, we have consistently found its blades to be its most invaluable feature. Primarily, these blades are overlap blades, which ensures they deliver precision and detail to every line and edge. Additionally, their adjustability from fine to coarse, or size 000 to 1, enhances their versatility, making them suitable for a wide range of hairstyling needs. According to Pedro Rosario, a master barber for axe hair, the Andis Master is often regarded as the greatest hair clipper ever. He highlights its power, durability, and longevity, noting that with proper maintenance such as regular cleaning and oiling, these clippers can endure a lifetime of use. Rosario also appreciates the transition to cordless functionality, which offers added convenience and flexibility during haircutting sessions. Number 2. Wahl Professional 5-Star Series Senior Clipper. Having extensively tested numerous Wahl clippers, we've gained a deep appreciation for why barbers rely so heavily on them to accomplish their tasks. These clippers significantly streamline at-home grooming routines with their minimal maintenance requirements and inclusion of 3 attachment comb cutting guides. According to Eric Becker of Blind Barber, whether you opt for a corded or cordless model, Wahl clippers are unparalleled in their ability to handle hair or beard grooming tasks with ease. Celebrity barber Vernon Scott, who has relied on the Wahl Senior Clipper for over 25 years, emphasizes the importance of efficiency, accuracy, and weight when selecting clippers. He attests that the Wahl Senior meets all these criteria, and its newer cordless version has revolutionized the grooming experience. Number 3. Wahl Professional 5-Star Cordless Magic Clip Hair Clipper. Maxime Belmar, the barber and founder of KRWN Barbershops in Montreal, Canada, sings praises for this detailer, describing it as sharp and easy to use. He particularly appreciates its T-shaped blade, which facilitates hyper-detailed lineups and creates crisp, clean beard lines with ease. Belmar considers it a heavy-duty clipper that exudes solidity. Indeed, this clipper lives up to its reputation, boasting crunch technology, a convenient taper lever, superior speed, and a rechargeable battery. Its cordless cutting capability adds to its versatility, allowing for seamless usage in various settings. Number 4. Andis Slimline 2 T-Blade Trimmer. This Andis model proves to be a versatile tool for various grooming needs, excelling in trimming beards, mustaches, necklines, and edging around the ears. Its sleek and ergonomic design ensures effortless maneuverability, fitting comfortably into your hand and travel kit for on-the-go grooming. Celebrity barber Vernon Scott highlights the exceptional battery life of this trimmer, noting that he can complete up to 10 client cuts on a single charge. He also praises the efficient motors that prevent overheating, ensuring consistent precision cutting across different hair types. The fine teeth of the blades contribute to close cutting, further enhancing the trimmer's performance. Number 5. BaBylissPRO Barberology Silver FX Clipper. The BaBylissPRO Silver FX Clipper stands out in our testing for its exceptional combination of power, design, and cutting performance. While it comes with a higher price tag, it delivers excellent value for money. Equipped with a high-carbon stainless steel blade and a brushless motor, it offers superior performance across all hair textures. Hairstylist Vaughn Acord praises the versatility of this cordless hair trimmer, emphasizing its unmatched speed and sharpness. As someone who frequently moves around, Acord appreciates the freedom of cordless operation, which allows for unrestricted movement and ensures an even cut. This feature is equally advantageous for home users seeking professional quality results. The best clipper depends on your needs. For fades, the Andis Master is king. Wahl Senior offers power for thick hair. Magic clips are cordless and versatile. Wahl Slimline tackles detailing. The BaBylissPRO is a barber favorite. Consider your hair type and desired style to pick your perfect match. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.